The Space for Humanity mission resonates with me in a big way. I truly believe that the human race is destined to colonize our solar system and beyond. And this is not something that should be left exclusively to entities with extreme wealth. The responsibility, the allure, and the adventure, this is something that should unify our species. Just as I believe in the democratization of information, I believe in the democratization of experience and opportunity. And there's no greater opportunity before the human race in the 21st century than the chance to leave this cradle of cosmic infancy that is our beautiful planet and take our first shaky steps into an adolescence that will transform our civilization and what it means to be human. Once people see that space travel is for everyone, it will invigorate the masses towards progress, towards knowledge, and ideally towards unity, as these will be prerequisites for the greatness to come. Ever since I was 4 and I got a book on the solar system for Christmas, I've been mystified by space and its exploration. I'm not a very emotional guy, but when I watch Centered in the Universe and the planetarium at Griffith Observatory, I cry every time. I'm moved beyond words at the notion that we can and will visit all of these remote worlds. And the saddest thought I can think is that I won't get to go. I was born too soon. But as long as I can make it up high enough to look down on the Earth from space, as long as I can get just a taste of that perspective, I can die knowing that I contributed in some minuscule way to the revolution that produced a spacefaring civilization. I'm a generalist. I studied chemistry as an undergraduate and graduate student, but I've taught a variety of subjects in the classroom, and I've made educational content in many more subjects still. I like to try to attain a seamless continuum of knowledge, from the level of the subatomic, to molecular, to cellular, to organismal, to global, to universal. I try to know as much as I can about all of these tiers of reality. And because I love explaining things, I'm also a science communicator. I explain science. It's what I'm good at. It's what I'm passionate about. I want the world to see what I see. I do this on my YouTube channel, Professor Dave Explains. My content is curriculum aligned, so it's geared towards students, but I secretly hope that the general public will one day get on board as well and make it a priority to gain basic knowledge in all the major areas of scientific inquiry. As passionate as I am, the singular experience of viewing the Earth from space, that one moment encapsulating the totality of human progress, visually and experientially, would magnify that passion tenfold to the point of ignition. I want to make content about my trip to space. I want to show people what's in store for us if we just have the courage to become our best and most virtuous selves. That's why I have to go to space. That's why I got the derivation of the parsec tattooed on my arm, to have a constant reminder of the very real rewards that await us and the work that must be done on a daily basis to become worthy of those opportunities. That's why I should be a citizen astronaut.